GRYP stock analysis and GRYP stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So Gryphon Digital Mining stock is sitting at 45 cents. It is 19.7% up. So where the heck are we heading next? I want to mention that, yeah, this is a pretty bearish chart, and I'm not only just gonna like short or anything, you know, but I'm kind of saying that it is a bearish chart, and I'm stating facts here. I have done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. With that in mind, to make it simple, this is like short term, but it's a pretty bearish range. I mean, I ultimately comes back down to that. For it to be bullish, it must break with a full candle close above like 110 or something. But yeah, this is how it looks like right now. I'm going to mark out like that. And generally speaking, if it reaches some supply areas and gives me a double break, then and only then I'm willing to take things low. Everything else is noise, you know, so unless it's, I mean, as long as it's inside this bearish range, I'm just looking for bearish opportunities. And that's me following my edge. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.